preferences for files module in Zoho People. Now that we know how to add organization files and employee files into the system, let's explore the various settings and permissions that we can have. In order to do that, navigate to the settings module. So click on settings and then click on files. And there we have configuration. So the first configuration that we are going to discuss is about employee files. So this section allows you to restrict the employee files access to your employees. If you wish that employee files tab should not be available to your organization, you can enable this option, that is, restrict access for employee files tab. When you enable this option, you can also make it applicable to all of your employees, or you can make it applicable to a particular role or to a particular employee. Once this is done, you can click on the save option. And then we have settings related to personal uploads. So the personal uploads tab will be visible to your employees only if you enable the option allow access for viewing personal tabs. So if this option is disabled, your organization will not have an option called personal uploads. So once you enable the personal uploads tab over here, you can also again make it visible for particular employees and roles, or you can make it available to all of your employees. If you're making it available to employees inside your organization, you can set up the maximum limit. That is, an employee can upload only up to 5 files inside the personal uploads tab. The restriction can be added over here. So once all the restrictions are set, you can click on the save button. And then we have settings related to file view. So when you upload organization files and employee files, this view determines what should be the default type of view. So let's go back to the operations in the files module to understand this. So go to operations and then click on files. So there you have organization files and employee files listed. So you have this option list view and folder view. At any point in time, you will be able to switch between these views. However, under settings, you can define what should be the default view. And then we have this option called team files. So whenever department heads uploads a file related to their department, it will be listed under the section called team files. So the option for a department head to upload department related information will only be available by enabling this option. And finally, we have an option called reporting files. So if you can remember, when we are adding an employee file, there was an option where you can give the visibility to the reporting manager. So when the reporting manager is given the visibility to view the file, it is only the immediate manager. However, if you want all the managers up in the hierarchy to view the file, you can enable the option reporting managers and their managers can access. If it is going to be only the immediate manager, you can go with the option immediate reporting manager can access. So these are all the different types of settings that you can have under the files module. And then we have permissions. So you can define IP restrictions and geo restrictions with respect to the files module. To add an IP restriction, click on add IP restriction. You can enter the from and to IP range of your organization. After defining it, under applicable services, select files. So when you are doing this, what happens is, whenever you add a file either to the organization file section or the employee file section, the employee will have an option to access the file only if they are connected to this specific IP range. In the same way, you can also define the geo restriction. So where you can specifically mark a geo range. So only if your employees are available within the geo range, they will be able to access the file. So this prevents an employee from accessing a file outside of your office network. So these are all the different types of restrictions and permissions that you can have inside the files module.